In this video, I'm going to walk through the installation process for the desktop pixel sorting app, Pixel Sortium, with which you can apply the pixel sorting algorithm to both images and video files. You'll be able to create things like you see on the screen here. So we're going to start off on the GitHub page for this application, which is linked in the description. We're going to start by clicking on the latest release on the right side of the screen. And it's going to bring us to this page where we can see the version is 0.1.1. We're going to walk through our system requirements. So we need to have a Windows 64-bit operating system. I am working on a Mac build, but I don't know when it will be completed. We'll need the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. So we can open up this link, scroll down on the page, and we need to download the x64 architecture because we have a 64-bit operating system. So we can just click on this link and it will download an installation executable. You can double click this. If you do not have this installed, you'll see an install button right here. You can just click that. It'll be very quick. If you already have this installed, you'll see uninstall or repair, in which case you're already completed. So once we have completed that, we can go back to the releases page, and it says we need 2 GB of RAM for storing images, and we need at least 4 GB of RAM for sorting video files, although maybe more would be required depending on the size of the video file. If you do want to sort video files, we will need to install the Lite Codec pack. So we can open up this window. On the right side of the screen, we'll just click Download Basic, scroll down a bit, and we can click on Server 1 as our download server. This will also download an installation executable. We can double click this. We're going to want to do the normal installation mode, and we can just leave the defaults for the first 5 or 6 pages. At this point, it's going to ask if you want some bloatware, which you can decline, and then after that you can hit install. This goes pretty quick. Once this is completed, we're going to check mark the Run Codec Tweak tool and hit Finish. This opens up the Tweak tool on the taskbar. I'm going to open it up. In the top left, there's this button for fixes. I'm going to check mark the re-register direct show filters from Lite Codec pack, and I'm going to hit apply and close. This does a little bit of work, and once that's done, this window opens back up and we can exit it out. Let's go back to the releases section, and now we have all of our system requirements met. So we can scroll down to the bottom and we can just click this source code zip file, and it's going to download that to our downloads folder. We can select it and right click, hit extract all, and here you can select a more permanent location for this application. I'm going to leave it in the downloads folder. I'm going to press extract. Once that's done, it opens up another window. Open up the pixel sorting folder, open up the bin folder, and here we can just double click our pixelsorting.exe file. Windows is going to, for the first time you run this program, warn you that there is an unknown publisher. You can click on the More Info link here, and then the Run Anyway button will pop up. So we can click on that, and now we have our Pixel Sortium window. So we can quickly verify that we're able to load the default image and run a quick sorting algorithm on it using the default parameters, and we can also make sure that we are able to load video files and sort them frame by frame. So that is all for the installation of this package. We can come back to the releases page, and there's a link to the documentation which will explain how you can use it effectively. If you have any issues with the installation process or any bugs you encounter while you're using the application, please create an issue in the issues section of the GitHub package. Thank you for downloading this application, and in the next video I will go through how to effectively use this application.